Good. Am I live? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back for another live stream. What a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. Oh man, I'm so fired up. All right, I'm about to go live on TikTok. I'll say hi as those of you who are on right now hop in, which I'm sure you will be soon. But man, 61,382. Good morning, Ethan NM. Good morning, OC Pet Doctor. Let's do this, man. Man, all just how painful that summer was, and here we are. Gorgeous day, Rodney. Fantastic day, emote. Hello, Sivas. Uh-oh. All right, how about I do something? What's up, John T? Litecoin's pumping? Okay, good. Give me a second. I need to get set up here. Hello, E. Davidson, Sam, 1G, no heartbeat. Bears that were doubting you for October are silent now. That's for sure. Yep. This is a team victory. How about that? We still, I'm still clenching a little bit until we get to that all-time high. But once we break through that all-time high, awesome. Christopher, Columbus, Ohio. I used to live in Columbus from '06 to '09. Awesome. 59K Bitcoin. Never heard of it. Huh, okay. Yeah, we're at 61 right now. E. Davidson, the man, the myth, and the legend. Yes, sir. Suchi, when will altcoins rise? No heartbeat. Am I still waiting for that 20K drop? Yeah. Hey, somebody else said that. Somebody with a lot more followers than me. So obviously that's going to happen. But I think altcoins are going to rise middle of November. So Nicholas Baxter hit over 60. Enrique, how am I feeling? I'm feeling pretty good. I mean, I can't lie. I'm feeling good. And I hope you're feeling good too. So any chance ETH will hit 5K this week? No. Sometime in November. So we need your point of view now after this small pump. Listen, what's the fear greed index at right now? Everyone's excited. I'm happy. I'm happy. I'm not going to lie. I'm happy to see where Bitcoin is. And so be greedy when everyone's fearful, be fearful when everyone's greedy, but at the same time, your faces are about to be melted off. And so I expect a rejection at the all-time high, or, maybe a little under the all-time high, like $63,000. And perhaps we'll go back into the 50s, but then we'll close November above $63,000, like Stock to Flow says, and then we'll hit $100,000 in November. So Bitcoin to the moon. Anyway, let's see. Do you expect a pullback on Matic? If Bitcoin pulls back, like I'm saying, maybe there'll be a rejection at the all-time high or a little under, then yeah, sure, there'll be a pullback from Matic, but Matic's due, man. So M88888, what's up, my man? Pablo diss. I always diss Pablo. Hello. Okay. So are we good on YouTube? I haven't seen any comments in a couple minutes. Give me 1 second. If it hits 100K, I'm never going to blame anybody for cashing out. Okay, so fine. I am live on YouTube right now. For some reason, I think my chat section in my stream is not moving, but let's see what happens here. What do you think about Heroes and Empire? I'm on the waiting list. I saw, what's his name? Joshua Jake make a video about that. So let's see. Okay, good. Man, I'm a little, what's up with my, oh shoot. Sorry, let me fix those of you on YouTube. Sorry for the delay. Who is the owner of Bitcoin? The people are the owner of Bitcoin. So will Bitcoin definitely hit 180 to 100K by the end of November? Bitcoin will definitely. Okay, I will never say definitely to anything really, but I think it's likely. Okay, good. We're good on YouTube. Good. Sorry about that. So should I take some profits and buy some what? Hey, 61K Sambo. All right, cake price prediction, $100. I am the truth. Thank you, Denny Murphy. Yeah, spot on the whole time. It's weird. It's a little scary. I have been spot on. So you're welcome, Shang. Let's see. I feel like we're seeing some institutional buying right now. Board Surfer, I just made a TikTok about that. So yeah, we are seeing institutional buying right now. It amazes me how people still don't understand crypto. Early adopters are still so ahead of the norm. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, Litecoin, I'm still saying $1,500. Litecoin will be delayed like other altcoins. So, you just got to be patient. All right, let's see. How do you see ETH playing out? Yeah, 15,000 still. So good morning, Just James. Got my Dunkin'. I finished my Dunkin', so I'm not drinking my Dunkin' anymore. I meant take profits and put it into what? No, just hold. Just hold. Not financial advice, but when will altcoins rise? Middle of November or so. Yeah, when will I know that very few of you actually own Bitcoin. You're just gonna have to be patient. I'd say middle of November we'll start seeing altcoins pump like crazy. So realistic number for SHIB to hit this bull run, I don't think it has much more in it. I think like a 3x from here. Am I ready? I'm ready. ETH by Christmas, maybe like 8,000, but like in January, 15,000. Do you think Ethereum Grayscale Trust will be affected if a Bitcoin ETF is approved next week? Not the Ethereum Grayscale Trust, no. No, but the Bitcoin Grayscale Trust, I think so. How do the Bitcoin ATMs work? Who does the money go to when you buy it on there? It goes to, that's a good question. I mean, it just stays in the ATM and then the owner of the ATM pulls the money out. So, or it goes to the owner's bank account. So, Mutsken, thank you. I have been insanely accurate over the last 3 months. You've got to follow me on TikTok and YouTube, whatever platform. Smash up that like button on YouTube, by the way. So a realistic high for XRP. I'm not confident in saying $8 to $10 because I could see it going much higher than that. So it's one of those things. It's like I say $8 to $10, but yeah, Bitcoin's at 60K. Do you think there will be a big dip before going parabolic? No, I don't think there's going to be big dips. I mean, all right, I think there's going to be V-shaped dips. Like I think there's going to be some aggressive dips, but they're going to be snatched up very quickly until the end. If you could replace all the grass in the world with something else, what would it be and why? Bacon? I don't know. Let's see. How big of a pullback do you think we see for Bitcoin before it hits 100K? 10% pullbacks along the way. Nothing too huge. Thank you, Cowgirl Crypto. Bitcoin to 180K by end of Q4. I'm saying $200, or 200,000. So yeah, it could. Volcano in El Salvador mining Bitcoin. Yeah, that's great. The Volcano node. Pablo says it's just a dead cat bounce and it's going back to 20K. Don't listen to this dude. Yeah, chase time. Yeah, it's just a dead cat bounce. That cat is bouncing really, really high. But guys, dead cat bounce. Get out while you can. I'm being sarcastic. Some of you I know don't understand sarcasm. I am being sarcastic. I have not taken any profits right now. I sold some crypto earlier this week to pay my taxes with many tiers. But new Cypher Rocket, okay. So do the owners of the Bitcoin ATMs own the Bitcoin being sold in the ATM? Yes, they do. Yes, Fry. Did you see the news regarding Bitcoin ETF showing up on the Bloomberg terminal? Yes, I did. Good morning, Evil D. I have not revised my DOT prediction. I am still saying $200. All right, Darius is here now, so we can start now. Excellent. How does the supply chain affect crypto? The supply chain? You talking about like with food and stuff? I'm not sure what you mean. So super cycle, no super cycle. We're going to have a bear market. And I'm praying for a bear market, okay? So I hate to say it like that, but bear markets are when you get wealthy. Think Bit hit 63 or pullback coming. I could see us getting up to 63 and then getting to going down. If you were to appoint a president of Bitcoin, who would it be and why? Nobody. That's the point of Bitcoin. Nobody. So why do you think ETH will peak in January? So yeah, that's a good question. ETH in May peaked 27 days after Bitcoin's peak. And in, Frank, I'm thinking 15K for ETH. In 2017 and 2018, Ethereum peaked 27 days. Again, 27 days after Bitcoin peaked. I don't think it's going to be 27 days. Ray Awad, yeah, you are an OG here. Thank you, Alice. I don't think it's going to be 27 days, but it's going to be around that time, I think, that ETH will peak after Bitcoin peaks. So let's see. Dead cat bounce. Blockchain boy pooped his pants. Yes, he did. When do you plan to take profit? I've been saying that I was going to take some profits when Bitcoin crosses its all-time high. I'm not going to. I'm going to be like, William Wallace and Braveheart. Hold. That's going to be me. So but I'm not going to be a bag holder. At least I don't plan on it. So I don't have any future positions, but I do trade options with Bitcoin correlated stocks. So do you think it would be smart to put 10K into Bitcoin? I tried limited, didn't get filled. Rel, I don't think now's a good time. I would say the best opportunity is if Bitcoin goes under 60K again, just buy. But if it breaks through 64.9, the all-time high, that's a good time to buy. So it's this weird point where, like, if it breaks through that all-time high at 64.9, then we're off to the races, and you just got to get in. But I could see it getting rejected. That's why I'm saying that. When do you think to sell Bitcoin? I'm not selling my Bitcoin. Thoughts on investing in mining companies, Mara, Riot, et cetera, versus actually purchasing Bitcoin? I'm doing that for options. I would not do that for stocks, but for options, you know, the ability to make a lot of money is very much there. And so I've bought, you know, probably $3,000 worth of calls that expire in January. So do you think, let's see. Why do you think ETH will peak? Yeah, I answered that. Good morning, Everardo. I hope I answered every question here. I'm working my way through on YouTube at least. I can't keep up with them on TikTok. That's me with my SHIB just hodling forever until it hits 10 cents. Ooh, okay. What price are you selling your Litecoin? Like, you know, I'm not selling it at all before Bitcoin peaks, you know? So if I think that Bitcoin will peak, I will start considering selling my Litecoin. So as far as price is concerned, I don't know. Let's see, 60K crypto portfolio, 50% Bitcoin, 30% ETH, 20% Litecoin alts. Do you think that diversity? I at this point, Rodney, just hold. Yeah, don't do anything like that. Don't adjust it or anything. Just hold on to it. Best time to roll Bitcoin into ETH. You know, you see it peak after December 17th. After December 17th, if you're going to do that, that's going to be a good time. December 17th was the 2017 peak. I do not think we're going to peak this year before December 17th. New cipher 10x this morning. Wow, that's crazy. What do you use to buy and sell crypto? Voyager. Download the Voyager app. Use my referral code ALE749. You get $25 of free Bitcoin and you skip the waiting list. What do you think of Saitama? I don't know anything about Saitama. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, by the way. For those of you on TikTok, I'm live on YouTube right now. I cannot keep up with the TikTok chat. I'm really sorry. I wish I could. So thank you, Cal. Best guy in crypto. I mean, I'm not, but I mean, I have been very accurate lately. So don't know anything about Saitama. Wild to see a coin up 300% in Coinbase today. A little peek of what's coming with alts. Absolutely, man. Alt season. It's going to be wild. So Bitcoin is below 20-day moving average. What? No, it's not. Hello, Connor My. Can still go 8. No, 8 is not going under $2. No, it's not happening. So alts go parabolic after ETH, right? So mid to late January. No, Karate Footsie. Actually, alts will go parabolic at their own times. ETH, I mean, look at the charts last time. ETH peaked 27 days after Bitcoin. In between those 27 days, plenty of alts peaked before that. What else do you think start leading soon? ETH, Litecoin, ADA, DOT? Yeah, I would say all of those. I mean, DOT's been pumping, but I think a lot of those are going to start leading the way. But it's not going to, I don't think ETH is going to have any spectacular pumps for like another few weeks. So yeah, I still think $600 for Solana. Oh my goodness, I'm way behind. Thank you, Sambo. 60K to new 30K. Yeah, we'll see. Is Maddox listing on Upbit the reason for its 20% jump? I have no idea. Sorry. When am I selling all my pancake? After Bitcoin peaks, so sometime after December 17th. VeChain to 50 cents. Bad strategy to hold all my ETH for 10 to 20 years like you do with Bitcoin? No, I think that's great. If you bought in at $2,400, I think that's wonderful, Friday. Yeah, definitely do that. How about ARBK? I don't know anything about ARBK. Cowboy Girl Crypto. I also buy crypto on my Venmo, up 40%. Excellent. Okay. My country does not allow me to stake. Oh my goodness. Do you have any advice of what to do during the bear market? Sell it all. I mean, sell all your crypto and just buy back in the bear market. Buy my bear market buying course. You'll make a lot of money. Wouldn't you agree that it's worthless getting into Bitcoin if you can't afford a whole coin? No, I would not agree. I would absolutely not agree. I think everyone should strive to get to 0.28 Bitcoin. So Bitcoin hit 200K. Do you think it's time to sell and buy when it drops? I will not object to you if you were to do that. I'm not going to play that game. So should I buy an ETH now or will there be a dip? Oh, there's that question again. Should I buy now or wait for a dip? You should never buy, always wait for a dip. Always. No, that's a joke. I think now is a fine time to buy Ethereum. Actually, well, no, wait for a dip. I have 6.5 ETH in Webull and 4 ETH in other exchanges. I was going to sell out of Webull when it hit 12 to 15K. Is this a good plan? I think that's a good plan, yeah. Should just focus on Bitcoin and switch to Ethereum later, or slowly do both? Slowly do both. Slowly do both. I don't know anything about Legacy Network. HBAR to $2. Yeah, it's fine to buy fractional shares of Bitcoin. Absolutely. Riot filed for a $600 million shelf offering. Main reason why it's being left in the dust while Mara is running. Yeah, I'm a little nervous about Riot. So what a time to be alive. Are we going to watch a new all-time high live today? I don't think we're going to see a new all-time high while I'm live. No. Yeah, it's fine to buy fractional shares. Shiba Inu's trash. I don't like Shiba Inu. Yeah, if you bought a year ago, you'd be doing great. And it'll go up. The rest of the market's going to go up. Doge is kind of struggling, man. That's kind of weird. But yeah, the rest of the market will go up. What's your thoughts on Flokenomics? I don't know. Will Bitcoin beat its all-time high within the next week? I think Bitcoin's going to get rejected at its all-time high, and it's going to struggle to get to it. Let's see. Wallet size accumulation. Wow, I'm so far behind. Chart you post on TikTok. Where can I find it? Ecoinometrics on Twitter. Look up Ecoinometrics. You got to follow them on Twitter. STOS. I don't know anything about STOS. IOTA. I don't have a price prediction for IOTA. Link $100, but IOTA will pump, and IOTA is going to blindside you with a pump. If people from Poland are called Poles, do you call people from... Okay, I'm not going to answer that. Are you interested in any of the DEXs launching on ADA? I haven't really looked into it, but I am interested eventually. For those of you watching on YouTube, smash up that like button, subscribe to the channel. Would really appreciate it. Look for me on World War Bitcoin on YouTube. I'm not in LSS. Dogecoin, I still think will hit $1. Will Shiba pump when Robinhood picks it up? Before Robinhood picks it up. Let's see. In Bear can go 80% for DOT. I think it can. Yeah. Yeah. What's up, Clarence? You're welcome, Karate Footsie. Quant is making me sad. You know, I mean, alts aren't doing as well right now, but they're going to have their time. Someone with your account starting to follow me. Do you have only one account on TikTok? Jay, I only have one account on TikTok. I do not. I have 2 NFTs. They haven't done very well. So I block 10 fake accounts every day on TikTok. It drives me absolutely bonkers. So I had checked the spelling. Mine is World War Bitcoin on TikTok. I am not anyone else on TikTok. So, okay, let's see. Any key points of support resistance you're paying attention to for Bitcoin currently? Just the all-time high. Made on NewCipher today. Yep. Matic most likely up because of NFTs. Okay. All right. Where do you buy your bear market buying course? I haven't finished it yet. Thank you, Jared T. Cook. New coins of interesting. I don't have any. I'm all in. I'm not paying attention to any new coins. Why don't you talk about Cardano? Anything wrong? No, it's just I'm trying to blaze through these questions. I think Cardano is going to $8 or so. Do you hold VET? Yes, I do. In my exit strategy, I'm selling all of my VeChain at the end. So... but you can buy my bear market buying course probably sometime in the end of November. I will be very specific. Pablo still says 20K. There's no way he still says 20K. Hey man, does high price? Oh, sorry. Advice on take profit strategies. Just do it consistently. You know, don't get greedy. You're not going to want to be holding the bag at the end of this. So, but I will be very clear about when I plan on taking profits. So. Hey man, does high price change with low volume is due to low supply of available Bitcoins? Yes, exactly that. Man, way behind. Mara contracts for the win. Absolutely, yeah. Just signed up for crypto swap on Celsius. Thank you. All right, cool. How's my Hex? My Hex is struggling in comparison to a few weeks ago, but much higher. Oh my goodness. Sorry, I have to go back down to the bottom of the chat. I can't keep up right now, even on YouTube. So thoughts on FTM and Luna? I like HBAR better than FTM, but FTM is going to be fine. Luna to $100. All right, VeChain to 50 cents. How much will my bear market course cost? $27. When will we now? Bull market is coming to an end when things go parabolic, when they spike like crazy. Why don't you like Shiba? Should I sell or buy? Don't buy, but don't sell. I mean, just hold on to it. Shiba started as a meme coin. I don't like meme coins. I think we'll blow through 64K if ETF is approved next week. I heard rumblings that an ETF was already approved. I'm not sure though. Sold everything except DOT and ETH and put into Bitcoin at 54.5K. Okay. Thoughts on Doge? Does it still have legs? I still think Doge is going to $1. So time predictions on the path to alt season. Just wait for Bitcoin to have its run. 61,600 is what I'm seeing right now. So let's see. Boss, did you start preparing for the course? I've made one video for my course. I'm going to make about 25. So sorry. Thank you, Carlos. When should I take my first profits? It just depends, man. You know, I think we're peaking in December, but you got to be careful. You know, just who knows? Maybe I'm crazy for saying that we're going to peak in December. So don't like. It's one of those things that is my course free. I'm charging $27 for my course. It's one of those things like if don't be committed to one single idea. You know. You're welcome, Carlos. When should I start to? Yeah, answered that. Is it safe to keep your money in Tether? I think it's fine. I know other people. I'm putting into stable coins at the end. I'm not cashing out. I know that Tether, you know, got a slap on the wrist today. That's going to happen, and I'm not worried about it. So, Litecoin to 1,500 to 2,000. Yes, I think 1,500. How much notice do you think you will give when you start selling? I'm going to give all the notice. I will completely. I will completely be honest with you. So. $27 one-time payment for my course when it's done. Look up Floconomics and see what you think if you decide to get into other coins. It has some potential. In the bear market, I'll look into it. So sell frame, I don't know anything about sell frame. Sell in January, not December to avoid taxes. Not a bad idea. It just depends when things pump. Ethereum Classic will stagnate for a little, then explode again. Yeah. VeChain still 50 cents. Yes. Would you short Bitcoin at 180K in January? I will buy puts on Bitcoin correlated stocks. So yes, smash the like button. Should I buy Nano? I think Nano is going to underperform. It's got a cool name and everything like that, but it's going to underperform. Announcement of that ETF is likely prolonged to continue pump. Yep. Too many people. Yeah. Okay. Any key support resistance numbers for Bitcoin you're looking at? I already answered that. Just the all-time high. How do I sign up? Nicholas, I'll let you know. Still planning on converting profits to quant at the end of the squeeze to squeeze a few more profits. I don't know if I ever said that, but I have a mic stand for my desktop. See, look, I'm using two different mic. This is for YouTube and this is for TikTok. So I know that's not the most, anyway, I don't know what I'm saying. Nano is sick, though. They have huge transaction rate and instant transaction. Oh, that's a good point. Very excited about the peak. Very nervous about the crash. How bad do you think it will be for Bitcoin? I think it's going to be just a little bit better, but still pretty bad. A little bit better than previous cycles. So thoughts on Litecoin? I love Litecoin for short term. I hate it for long term. So I mean, I don't hate it for long term. I don't want any Litecoin in the bear market. So is Anchor protocol safe? I don't know anything about Anchor. What are the best altcoins to buy? Oh, Anchor. Oh, yeah. Never mind. I think it is pretty safe. Best altcoins to buy after the Bitcoin run. I would mostly stick with high market cap cryptos. So Ethereum, Solana, those would be good ones. What do you think about Mia Coin? Don't know anything about Mia Coin. Thoughts on AMP? I'm still saying AMP to $1. So apparently somebody say there's a pullback. Something I didn't see that. Sorry. There will be pullbacks along the way. There will be. How do you put your coins into stable coins? Buy USD coin on Voyager or on, and just hold on to it on Celsius, things like that. Do you do any staking? If so, what? Yes. I have $60,000 worth of cake staking on PancakeSwap. I hope that turns into $300,000 this year. We'll see. Which stable coins, which platform are you going to use to stake during the bear? I'm going to do a ton of research, and I'm just going to see. I'm going to see which one gets me the best returns. So, yeah, I think AMP's going to 20x. I really do. I think there's going to be a lot of 10 and 20x's. It just depends. It's going to be very quick for a lot of those, though. When do you think Litecoin will go crazy? After Bitcoin crosses its all-time high. Hollow at least 10x, yes. So have you bought your Lambo? I will never own a Lamborghini. If I was a billionaire, I would still not own a Lamborghini. 2022, look for Bitcoin after it crashes. I think it'll go down to about $50,000. Hey, Alex, will accept payment via USDT for your book. I'm not sure what I'll do yet. So any prediction on Crowcoin, 50 cents or so. Matic, $8. I do not invest in Casper Sleep Stock. I have no idea what that is. Riot and Miracol's printing right now. You know, Riot's underperforming in comparison to Bitcoin, but I hope it catches up. So if Bitcoin peaks in December, we won't have other coins peak end of year, just in January. Yeah. Some will peak in December. But yeah, I think most of them will peak in January. How are we feeling about crypto today? Yodavert, I'm feeling great. Do you use bots to trade? I have a bot. It hasn't done well. Can we collaborate on a video? Real Broke Kane? I don't know. What's in it for me? I hate to say it like that, but I'm sorry. I just don't know anything about you. Let's see. Yeah, I'm going to have to pass, man. Sorry about that. Safest coin on Coinbase. I mean, Bitcoin's going to be the safest coin. Let's see. After we take profits, do you think it's better to put most money back into Bitcoin, ETH, or spread them on altcoins? Take profits into stable coins. I mean, take profits. Yeah, for altcoin season, you know, put some into altcoins, but I'm going to be putting a lot into stable coins. So collab with Ragsy, not while I'm live on YouTube. I know that, you know, you've been asking me for that a lot, but not while I'm live on YouTube. You know, if I do a live stream where I'm just on TikTok, I'll go live with anyone, really. So how is Bitcoin almost 61K and all altcoins stagnant? This happens. It happens. You know, it's Bitcoin's time. This is a very good thing for the crypto market, for Bitcoin to regain some of that dominance. Do you like the audio streaming products? Jam, Tracks, Audio. I haven't looked into them very much. So which ones do you think will 10x and 20x? A lot of micro caps will 10 and 20x. So look at the smallest market cap coins on Coinbase. So what do you think about XTZ? I don't know much about XTZ. So what will you be holding at the end of the bear market? At the end of the bear market? At the end of the bull market, I'll be selling everything except for my Bitcoin. I'll sell a little bit of my Ethereum, but I'll be holding some Ethereum, holding some Binance, holding HBAR, and holding Chainlink, and that's it. Advice for someone who got out of college and has no money, want to invest in crypto: work your butt off. Do not take, you know, cable TV. You don't need cable TV. You don't need to eat out every day. Work your butt off. Uber, if you have to, put all of your Uber money into crypto in the bear market. Not right now, you know, but I mean, now's fine for short-term gains, but you want those long-term gains, okay? So work hard, make money, and invest it. Get it out of fiat currency, and don't buy crap. Anyway, safest coin on, yeah, Bitcoin. Let's see. Where can I buy your bear market buying course? There'll be a website. I haven't finished it yet. I haven't come close to finishing it. You're welcome, Marv. I have my younger brother's named Marvin, so soft spot for you, I suppose. What month do you think Litecoin will peak? January. Can we talk about Bitcoin ETF? The Bitcoin ETF is a futures ETF. I'm not super excited about that, but that's a good thing for the market. You know, if we can get a spot ETF where they accumulate Bitcoin, game over, man. Game over. So is staking a good strategy for the bear market? Yes, but wait for at least a year because things will just go down for a year. Bitcoin just broke 62K. What? I'm not seeing that. I see 61.5. So facts. Yes. Do I invest in stocks? Yeah. But I'm 90% in crypto. So let's see. Every tip I get at work, I put into Coinbase. Excellent. Yeah. I'm not seeing 62K. But anyway, let me pull that up here. Am I bullish on ADA? In general, yeah. I think it's going to go to $8. I just think other things will outperform ADA. Quant prediction, I don't do quant predictions. I do think it'll go over $1,000, but stocks are boring. But yeah, they're not volatile enough. HBAR prediction, this bull run, $2 or something like that. So Polkadot, $200. Sorry, just got here. Why are you not on TikTok? I am on TikTok, Autumn. Any thoughts on OXT? Don't know anything about OXT. How about SHIB? SHIB's trash. I hate SHIB. SHIB is going to dump really hard in the bear market, but I will say I'm going to buy a lot of SHIB in the bear market. So just so you guys know. Oh, man. All right. Unfortunately, I need to leave in about 5 minutes. I have a meeting that was unplanned, and it's a very important meeting because a friend, I won't give any details. Just if you're a praying man, pray, you know, or woman, you know. So Litecoin prediction still $1,500. Yeah. So yeah, new ciphers going nuts. Stay away from it. Don't chase a green candle. Any chance H bar goes higher than $2? Sure. Yeah. Yeah. How much Bitcoin I got to buy to make money? 1,000 or 2,000. Just buy regularly every month. So what about dog? What's dog? What's up, dog? Thank you. Thank you. I see those praying emojis. Yeah. Blockchain Whispers says that this is the last bull run for alts. The last ever? I don't even know who Blockchain Whispers is. That seems kind of weird. Any thoughts on IOTA? I think IOTA is going to exist for a long time. Yeah, my predictions are going up. Yeah. No, my predictions are staying the same. I don't know. I'm not sure what you're saying about that, but pull back soon. It's possible. Yeah. Recommending coins to buy now. Litecoin and Ethereum. Since the last few times you predicted, my predictions have stayed the same. If anything, my predictions have either stayed the same or gone down. The only one that's gone up is Solana. So IOTA is gonna have some crazy pumps, and it's gonna be very unexpected when it happens. But yeah, IOTA is gonna do well. All right, I'm sorry. I unfortunately, this meeting was not. I had not had this meeting planned until about 2 hours ago. So I'm gonna meet with my friend, and then I'm going to. I might come back live on TikTok, but not on YouTube. So I'm sorry for the short live stream today. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on TikTok. For those of you on TikTok, you got to follow me. And follow me on Twitter, WWBitcoin. And follow me on Instagram. None of you follow me on Instagram. I need more followers on Instagram, because what happens if TikTok gets shut down? How are you going to find me? You know, so follow me on Instagram, World War Bitcoin on Instagram. Happy Friday. Have a great weekend. Much love to you all. Bitcoin to the moon. Ha, ha, ha. Bitcoin to the moon. I love you. Yeah, yes, Thomas Goodwin. The answer to your question is yes.